The company Powervation Limited was founded in 2006. Started off with 4 or 5 people. Today we have 33 people, and we're in with 3 locations. Where our headquarters are in Cork. We have an R&D centre in Cork, and we have a sales office in San Jose, California, because of Silicon Valley, and we have another sales office that we opened early last year in Taiwan. So 33 people globally, and the product that we do, what we're involved with is we're a technology company, and the guys actually developed a digital power controller. Now, for the accountants in the world, it's very hard to describe what this actually does, but it's about managing power. And one of the examples of where our controller is used would be on a gaming board. There's a whole lot of different components on the board that require power, and our controller, which would fit comfortably on the top of your finger, manages the power on the board. So for our customers, it's very important that this controller, which is an expensive component on their board, that it saves them money in the long run. So the advantages that we bring are the controller is easy to use. It's actually programmable, so they can kind of do whatever they want with it. So if they have a particular specification that they want the controller to do, they can just fiddle around with it, and the software guys get involved, and everybody gets involved, and it delivers what they want. So engineers, our customers' engineers, because our chip goes into somebody else's product, essentially. So our success is actually almost dependent on how successful their product is. But for us, the challenge has always been staff, hiring engineers. Like as I said, we have 19 people here, 17 design engineers. These are highly skilled engineers. Lowest would be graduate level, graduate degree level, electronics degree, masters and PhDs. So you're talking high caliber people. And because of the Celtic Tiger, nobody studied electronics, or very few. The numbers dropped dramatically. So as a result, it was very hard to recruit in Ireland. So the mix of the Cork office, we've got 7 different nationalities here. These guys are coming from different companies, different educational backgrounds, and they're all meshed together, and that works for us. And as a result, we've probably got one of the best design teams, engineering teams in our space in the world. So the challenges that have faced Powervation from the very beginning is that we're trying to start a chip company, an Irish chip company, a semiconductor chip company. It's very, very expensive to do that. You need some serious investors. The process is alarmingly slow. Last year, 2013, was when we first started selling chips. So our sales last year, we've actually managed to, the orders we received in January of this year are higher than our total sales for last year. So the company is now taking off. We've been with Ulster Bank since the beginning. So we started off with in Limerick, and our contact is in Limerick. And we've stayed with the same group of people since then. Look, in today's day and age, you don't really need branches. I'd rarely go into a branch. So it's online banking, and it's the business manager and her team that we work with. What we need for our business to work efficiently is we need people to respond quickly, and we also need people to understand what we're trying to do. We're a startup company. Cash is king. You're constantly managing cash. So when we needed some help from Ulster Bank, we talked to our business manager back in 2012, and we explained our situation, and Ulster Bank were able to help us out. Now, when we were looking for funding, we shopped around. We had to. That's what we have to do. And we were with other banks, but Ulster Bank were the only ones that stepped up and took on a company like ourselves, where others wouldn't.